Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir for the first time. To begin, you'll need active kefir grains, about 1 tablespoon, and fresh milk. Whole milk works best, but 2% milk is also fine. You'll also need a clean glass jar, a non-metal strainer, and a spoon. Make sure all your equipment is clean to prevent contamination and ensure a successful fermentation process. Let's get started. Now, let's get to the fermentation. Place your kefir grains into the clean glass jar. Add about 2 cups of milk to the jar, ensuring the grains are fully submerged. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a coffee filter secured with a rubber band. This allows air to circulate while keeping out contaminants. Let the jar sit at room temperature, ideally between 68 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 24 hours. After about 24 hours, your kefir should be ready. You'll notice the milk has thickened and separated slightly. Place your non-metal strainer over another clean jar or bowl. Pour the fermented milk through the strainer. Gently shake or stir the strainer to help the finished kefir pass through, leaving the grains behind. These grains are now ready for your next batch, so don't discard them. Congratulations, you've made your first batch of homemade kefir. You can drink it plain or add it to smoothies with fruit. Store your finished kefir in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 1 week. Remember to start a new batch with your grains right away to keep them active. Also, if you're looking for ways to keep your car smelling fresh, check out the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and healthy homemade kefir.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.